and welcome back. Today we complete our 19th book of the 52 weeks 52 books challenge, and the book that I've read, completed and made notes of this week बड़े मुश्किल से just for you is Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. सच कहूं, I'm totally in love with this book. Now, I have tried my best, but honestly speaking, every single page, every single chapter, basically the entire book is filled with so many deep learnings, so many beautiful, insightful learnings that it was very difficult to select the best out of them. आप सब ने ईगो, ईगोइस्टिक ऐसे शब्द कई बार सुने होंगे. आप सब ने ईगो, ईगोइस्टिक ऐसे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किसी ना किसी के लिए जरूर किया होगा. But let me tell you that the word ego is something that we hear, use, say so often, so frequently, but most of us have never ever read about it or have tried to deeply understand it. This book, Ego is the Enemy, will help you understand what ego is and how ego is different from self-respect. और एक अंदर की बात बताऊं, मुझे पहले ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल भी ईगो नहीं है. आई एम नॉट ईगोइस्टिक एट ऑल. और ऐसा हम सबको लगता है ना? But after reading this book, things changed. I understood what ego is all about and how to control it, how to conquer it. तो अगर आप भी एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जिन्हें लगता है कि आप में ईगो नहीं है, आप बिल्कुल भी ईगोइस्टिक नहीं हैं, which actually is a sign of ego, you must read this book without fail. Most importantly, अगर आप एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जो बहुत जल्दी हर्ट हो जाते हैं या जो बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, बहुत जल्दी इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, you must read this book without fail. Every single person watching this video, irrespective of your age, gender, qualification, work experience or profession, every single person must read this book without fail. So just in case if you wish to buy this book, which you actually should, I have pasted a link in the description given below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. Now, having said that, let's quickly move on to our learnings from the book. Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. Now, since you know that I'm a Marwadi, let me tell you कि बड़े कंजूसी से सिलेक्शन करने के बावजूद, out of all the 18 books that I've read so far, this book has one of the longest list of learnings after Atomic Habits. So, to keep the video short, I will scan through just a few of my learnings, but remember, every single learning written here is equally important, and hence, it is my personal recommendation that you must read this book without fail. So, Ego is the Enemy at the outset will help you deeply understand what is ego and how it is different from self-respect. A lot of people feel that being silent or keeping quiet is a sign of weakness. But that's not how it is. It takes a lot of courage, a lot of self-control to be able to hold yourself back. Real weakness is being impulsive. Real weakness is feeling compelled to speak, to justify yourself or seek validation. Now, this one statement made a very deep impression on my mind. In life, there will come a time when you have to choose between to be or to do. Do you want to be credited as a mentor, or do you want to do that a mentor does? Do you want to be recognized as a leader, or do you want to do that a leader does? Do you want to be looked upon as a genius, or do you want to do that a genius does? Do you want to be honored, or do you want to do honorable things? So, when the time comes, what will you choose? To be or to do? Now, this is extremely true for all. Best is the enemy of better. If you think you are the best, there is absolutely no chance that you will get better. You can never learn if you think you already know. Remember, to be great, you must seek to learn from someone who's better than you. Teach someone who's lesser than you and challenge yourself against someone who is equal to you. साथ ही इस बुक ने एक और बहुत सच्ची पर बहुत कड़वी बात समझाई. In the ring of life, getting angry, getting emotional or losing restraint is a sure short recipe for failure. अंदर से जब जोरों से वो फीलिंग आ रही हो ना कि अब इसको बताता हूं, अब इसको सिखाता हूं, अब इसको दिखाता हूं, learn to practice restraint. Learn to hold yourself back. इस बुक ने एक और बहुत बड़ी और प्यारी बात सिखाई. Self respect comes from self. It depends on self and not on others. If others can hurt it, it is not self respect. It is ego. And to test whether it's your ego, the book also suggests an amazing ego test which says that you have not conquered your ego when someone's words or behavior can easily make you feel inconsequential. When someone's words or behavior can easily make you feel infinitesimally small. When someone's words or behavior can easily make you feel hurt, insulted, or degraded. I also found two beautiful statements in this book. The first one said, the first thing that gods bestow on the one they wish to destroy is pride. And the second statement said, with information comes pride, but with real knowledge comes humility. Whatever you want in life, you must know how much of it do you want? Otherwise, if you don't know how much of it you want or need, the default easily becomes more. कितना चाहिए? पता नहीं, बस इतना पता है कि और चाहिए. याद रखिएगा, इस और का कोई अंत नहीं होता. More can make you delusional. Beware of the disease of me. मैं, मेरा, मुझे, मैंने, इस मैं से मुक्त होना जरूरी है. वो बात तो सुनी होगी ना आपने, जब किसी ने प्रभु श्री राम से पूछा कि आपने रावण को कैसे मारा, तो बड़े विनम्रता पूर्वक प्रभु श्री राम ने कहा, महाबली, महाप्रतापी, महातेजस्वी, तीनों लोकों के विजेता और चारों वेदों के ज्ञाता, महादेव के परम भक्त लंकापति रावण को मैंने नहीं, उसके मैं ने मारा. तो इस मैं से बच के रहना. Whenever I ask people what is the opposite of success, they often say it's failure, and that is utterly wrong. Check out this picture. You have to pass through failure to reach success, and that's what makes failure an integral part of success and not the opposite of it. The opposite of success, however, is not trying. This book has defined success for us in a very beautiful way. It says success is peace of mind, which is a direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing that you've made the effort to do your best to become the best version of yourself that you are capable of becoming. Now that's what is success. You know what? In life, shit happens. But what matters is when it happens, ask yourself, are you going to make it worse, or are you going to emerge from it with your dignity and character intact? Are you going to live to fight another day? Remember, if your reputation cannot absorb a few blows, it wasn't worth anything in the first place. Because great men and women are not affected by what others think of them. They don't seek validation from others. All they care about is whether they meet their own standards of self-evaluation, which is much higher, way higher than others. And finally, coming to my most favorite learning from this book. Learning and training is just like sweeping the floor. Just because you've done it once doesn't mean that the floor will remain clean forever. Every single day dust will come. Every single day you will have to sweep. Every single day you will have to train. Every single day you will have to learn. Now, those were just few of the many amazing learnings that this book has to offer. Trust me when I say this, I don't know and I don't care which books you have read before, but you must at all costs read this book without fail. And as I've previously said, just in case if you wish to buy this book, which you should, I have pasted a link in the description given below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon without fail to stay updated with all our latest and upcoming videos.